In today's video, we will take out tail light for 2014 Ford Focus Hatchback. Before we jump into the takeout process, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. We really work hard to make these DIY videos and your subscription will be really appreciated. Now let's jump into the process. First, we take out the fabric cover behind the tail light. Once the cover is out, notice there's a plastic screw inside that we need to take out. This plastic screw has a strong grip and it would be really difficult for me to take it out using my fingers. So I'll be using a pliers to loose this screw first. And then I will unscrew it with my fingers. There, we took out the plastic screw. Now the same screw we took out from the bottom, there's exactly a similar screw on top, and we also have to take it out with the same process. Loose the screw with the pliers and then take it out with your fingers. Second screw is also out. Now we move towards the taillight side. Push the taillight from the black cover portion. Notice the taillight is losing its grip. Now from the other portion, try to grab the taillight from your fingers. And once you have enough grip, then you slightly lift the taillight a little upwards. And there you see the complete taillight popping out. Now we will take out the plug. Notice there are multiple bulbs behind the taillight, but we will only take out the main plug, connecting all those lights. That plug right there. Plug is out. That wraps up the takeout process for this tail light. If this video helps you in any way, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we will be happy to get back to you. In the meantime, we will catch you in the next video.